It's day 2 here at CERAWeek Agora, and after day 1, 3 takeaways. Hydrogen interest, gold hydrogen, and fast fail with a digital twin. First one, hydrogen interest. Now back in Europe, hydrogen has been a huge topic of conversation and investment and plans for the last, 12, 18, 24 months. Coming here, I wasn't sure what the level of interest would be in hydrogen, but chatting with some of the CERA folks yesterday, they need a bigger hub. This is the hydrogen hub here behind me. It could be 3 times the size, and they would fill it for every session. Now, whether that level of interest that's here will turn into more advancements in technology, faster time to scale, that's all to be seen, but the level of interest is impressive. Second one, gold hydrogen. Chemvita Factory had a session yesterday in one of the pods and talking about what they're planning on doing and taking depleted oil reservoirs, with maybe 20% of the oil left, it's hard to get, feeding the naturally occurring microbes that are down there to break down the oil into CO2 and hydrogen and capturing both. But they're calling it gold hydrogen, and it's a subsurface chemical plant, right? Now, I'm way oversimplifying this. The biochemistry, chemistry, the seismic, the technology required and prototyping the stuff is massively complex. But in terms of a new way of coming up with hydrogen, it's different, so check that out. And the last one, fast fail with a digital twin. You know, we talk about in the IT world that, well, you try something and if it doesn't work, you iterate and you try again and whatever. But in the energy industry, you can't do this fast fail. It's a never fail mentality. But I was chatting with Jay Shaw at AWS yesterday, and he made the comment that he said, yeah, well, if you have a good digital twin, whether it's software and hardware, and you can simulate the differences or what will happen if I try this, the what if scenario planning, well, you can do a lot of fast fail testing before you actually deploy it. And that's a very valid point. So why do you need digital twins, right? Anyway, that was day 1. Now that was just the 3 things that stood out for me. There's lots of other technology here today, lots of robots. So it's going to be a busy day.